Today we're going to be taking a look at Poetic Spartan and Guardian cases for the brand new Google Pixel Fold. Now if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting a link in the video description. And as I go through each case, I will let you know whether or not I recommend it to you. So let's get started. So here is the Poetic Guardian. So this case does come with a built-in screen protector that is plastic. And the case itself is made of all plastic as well, and it's got a clear backing. Just snaps on your phone very easily. You can peel off the front. And before we install the front case, just make sure you peel off these screen protectors. It also has a sticker along the edge here. Then you can just press this over the top of your phone and then just press down along the edge that's closest to the phone spine. Very cool look to it. I like the two-tone pink and gray. Feels good in the hand. It's not slippery, but it feels nice and smooth. Again, it's got that built-in screen protector, which seems to work just fine. No issues there. And it looks pretty clear. There are these like little micro dots all over the screen, and that's to keep down the rainbow effect. It doesn't bother me though. It's got a couple cutouts for the speaker on the top. And if we look at the side, as you can see, it does have a nice raised edge all the way around the front of the screen. On the bottom, we have our cutouts, as well as the top. On the spine here, we do have a cover that protects the spine of the phone. And another added bonus, it's got a built-in kickstand, which is really cool. There's also one more protective sticker I forgot to take off from the back here, but as you can see, it does show the phone's color right through the back, which is nice. It also has a nice raised edge to protect your cameras as well. As you can see here, it does have a button that covers the volume rocker, and we do have a cutout for the power button. As far as fingerprints goes, the front screen protector does pick up a little fingerprints, but I'm sure you could just wipe those away. Yep, very easily. And if we open up the phone, opens up really nice. Case seems to stay in place. It may have a ever so slight raised edge around the inner portion of the phone. It's not very significant though. And if we go back to the spine and we take out our kickstand, which is held in place magnetically, you can angle the phone towards you, which is pretty nice. You can also fold it up just a little bit. That's pretty cool. Volume buttons are easily accessible and they are clicky. Very nice. This is a very cool case. I also really like this kickstand here. It actually seems like it's metal as well, whereas the rest of the case is plastic. And again, like I said, it's held in place with that magnet. Very nice. It also does add a little bit of extra bulk to the phone, but again, you're getting almost 360-degree protection. And let's see if this case works with wireless charging. And it does. So if you want good protection with a kickstand, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this case. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Alright, and then here we have the Poetic Spartan case. Again, this case also has a built-in screen protector and it has a kickstand on the back. And the inner portion of this case also has some nice soft material in it as well. These cases are also military grade drop tested, so if you drop it, your phone is going to be protected. Now, just like the other case, you want to peel off these protectors before you install the front portion. And then these just pop onto your case, just like that. Feels nice in the hand. Now, unlike the other case, this one does have plastic and kind of a hard rubbery material all the way around the phone. Again, feels nice in the hand. It's not grippy, but it's got this smooth feel to it. The power button on the side here is cut out, so you can still use the fingerprint sensor, but the volume rockers are covered by a little button, and it's got this nice little texture on the side. If we look at it from the side, as you can see, this still has a nice raised edge around the screen, and it's got that built-in screen protector that works without any issues as well. We also have that nice texture on the spine cover as well. We have our cutouts on the bottom and on the top. On the back here, it's got a nice hard plastic with these like textured inlays. And again, we have that built-in kickstand as well. So you can put your phone kind of in portrait mode or in landscape to watch some videos. and then it kind of just stows back into place. It also has a nice little recession for the camera as well. And if we open it up, case seems to stay in place, very nice. And there is maybe an ever so slightly raised edge all the way around the case to kind of give some sort of protection to the inner screen if you happen to put it face down. So let's open up that kickstand again. And you can have it laying down, kind of angled towards you, and you can kind of bend it in a little bit as well. Kind of like a little laptop. Very cool design. Feels, again, very nice in the hand. I like the kind of rubbery material on the sides. Now, it does add a little extra bulk to the phone, but again, you're getting that kickstand and 360-degree protection, so I think it's worth it. So now let's see if this works with wireless charging. And it does, no problems there. This is a really nice case. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So that's it for my review of the Poetic Guardian and Spartan cases for the Google Pixel Fold. Again, if you guys want to pick up either one of these cases, I will be putting a product link in the video description. And if you guys liked the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'd also recommend checking out my best and worst cases videos where you can see a review of a whole bunch of different cases all in one place for the Google Pixel Fold, and that's up on your screen right now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.